Just Read makes reading on the web easy and pleasurable. Simply click the Just Read icon on a web page and read it in a distraction-free, easy-to-read format. You can customize the way that Just Read looks by selecting from installed themes or by entering custom values. For expanded control over the way that Just Read looks, you can go to Just Read's Options page. Here you will also find additional options to customize how Just Read works for you, including the ability to auto-run Just Read on sites that you want it to. With Just Read, you can select exactly the content that you want to read by using Just Read's user selection mode, and delete unwanted content by using Just Read's deletion mode. With Just Read Premium, you get even more features. You can use a custom scroll bar, auto-scroll the article, use Just Read's gradient text functionality to make reading easier, have more control over what content is auto-selected by Just Read, annotate articles with highlights and comments, and best of all, share articles in your Just Read format with other people. You can keep track of shared pages on Just Read's user dashboard. Install Just Read today and read web articles in exactly the way you want.